All right, so let's do another one of these. We're gonna do one, maybe say goodbye to our friends in B flat. We're gonna do one in D major. So I'm gonna just write D, and there we go. So let's go the way where we're gonna build the scale to start. So here we go. D major is gonna start on D. So there's D. The next note up is gonna be E natural. And I know this because I've thought about the key signature for D major, which is two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So that helps me know that I've got D, E, and I now need an F sharp to come next. And what do you know? I've got one right there. F sharp and C sharp are the only accidentals in this scale, so the next note is just going to be G natural. So I've got D, E, F sharp, G, and that's 4 notes. So the next note is number 5, and again I'm just switching, making it a whole note so that it looks different. And the 5th note here, oopsie, that's a G, is A. D, E, F sharp, G, A. So we know that dominant means 5, so I counted 5 and I got to A. I am sitting pretty, things are good. So now I know I can use just notes from this scale and build a chord on A, the 5th scale degree or the 5th note in the D major scale, and I'm going to get a dominant 7th chord. So first I have to find the triad, and it's going to be an A triad. And in D major, I need a C sharp, right? Because the key signature is F sharp, C sharp. So that's good. I've got E natural, which we saw over on the left there. So here comes E natural. And there's an A major triad, A, C sharp, E. And the last thing we said is if I have my root, I have my 3rd, I have my 5th, I can just add another note on top of that. I can add another 3rd on top. So a 3rd above E is a G, and I know that the kind of G that I get in D major is G natural. So there it is. So by just using the notes from D major, I was able to make this dominant 7th chord. It's an A dominant 7th chord, which is the kind of dominant 7th chord we get in D major because it's on the 5th note of the scale. D, E, F sharp, G, A. Now if I want to test it, I can go and check the interval. So from A, a 7th up is a type of G, so that's good. And I can say a major 7th above A would have been G sharp, but there's no G sharp in D major, so the minor 7th above A would be G natural. And that's how you make a dominant 7th chord in a key.